guys, we're going to get into this ATA GDO-6V3. A few things to mention on the outside of the box. There is a few warning labels which I do recommend reading, and also their instructional manual is on their website. So to get that, you have to go onto their website, which is listed on the box. Alrighty, let's get into it. Again, a few more warning labels and stickers which are required to be put up. So please read those and put those where is required. Alrighty. First things first, it comes with their PTX5 version 2 remotes. Okay, pull this cardboard off, and there's your motor. So this is so that's it there. It's got their classic panel there. Alrighty. And this one here does actually come with the remote on the manual release, which is really good. Comes with a weight bar and all the bolts and screws that are required. And that's pretty much it. Easy. Thank you guys.